Every day, we manage various conversations and activities with our prospects, customers, and partners. Managing your sales activities manually, such as using your notebook, can be overwhelming, especially when you want to be successful. With Sales1, you can close deals with your own CRM and virtual assistant system anywhere and anytime. You can easily create and schedule a call from your personalized CRM. You can also check what stage your deals are currently at and see which ones you can close soon. Simply change the status of your deals by dragging and dropping it to a different stage. Best of all, you can manage and see your team's sales progress at any time from our smart analytic dashboard. So in this age of new normal, you'll be able to manage your activities and watch as your sales grow wherever you are. Sales1, helping you build customer relationships anywhere, anytime.